back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a collective haul. This is a Walmart and Dollar Tree haul. You guys, of course, I did go after Valentine's shopping. I hope everybody had an amazing Valentine's Day. So anyways, so this is what I ended up getting at Walmart. I found these Chinese boxes that were left over. These were, of course, half off, so they were about $1.20 something, 24. I found me these cute little boxes, this treat boxes, so I will definitely be using these soon. And these were $1. I also found these, you guys. Oh my goodness, I thought these were so cute. So they had these for the teachers. I've noticed that they have the teacher items out on Valentine's, like it's always good to get these for Teacher Appreciation Day. So you guys, if you guys have a teacher that you guys want to appreciate, these are amazing. These are just notebooks, so yay. Anyways, and then let me see, I found me some of these. I didn't get any this year, so yeah, I was so happy to find these. Here's another notebook that I got these were like 62 cents, I believe. There you go. And then, oh, sorry you guys for the crinkle noise. And then I got me these Habero gummies. These were 2 something for 40 bags. I have to have these on hand because I have somebody that's always asking me for candy and gummies here at the house. And then these, oh my goodness, you guys. So I found this big pack of Reese's Hearts miniatures. So yay. Can you guys see them? And then lastly, I found these right here. You guys, I can't believe chocolate has gotten so expensive now. So yeah, these were half off, and I think that like half off was like $4. So yeah, wow. So that's it for my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. And then let me go ahead and show you my Dollar Tree haul. So I found me these. I thought those were so cute. I'm hoping to join a sweet theme collab sometime soon, whenever one is hosted and I catch it. You know, I'm usually late for the party. I saw these as well. How cute. And if not, if I don't make it, of course, definitely I do have granddaughters, and I can definitely give those to them. If yeah, if I don't make it, 20 of those. I found these right here, you guys. These have been at Dollar Tree for a while. So I got me one more. I got me more gummies, you guys. Oh my goodness, these gummies are going by fast here. I got me this. This is like a Jenga box, but I have a crafty idea, so hopefully I can use those. I also found these right here. How cute are those? And then, you guys, my mom asked for these a few months. Well, actually, it's been months and months and months since she was here last, I think. They haven't had them. They had the colored ones. I did take her some of the colored ones because she hadn't found any of them. So I found the black ones. So I finally got a whole bunch of them since they had just put them out, you guys. Oh, and then I got these again, these acrylic boards. Aren't those cute? Oh my goodness. So I still haven't done my project that I've been trying to work on. We'll definitely be working on it sometime soon, you guys. These plates, these are like plastic plates from Dollar Tree. They have green or teal, and this is like bluish, and this is more like a peach color. How cute are those, you guys? And these are they're plastic. They're like a thin plastic, you guys. Awesome. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.